Good morning. Yes. So this is your uh, AP 101 lab class, and it is going to be virtual because didn't know as you all. Yes,
Actually,
Saurabh.
sir,
Huh.
sir, was it Samir Jain sir class in the timetable or sir
No,
it
no,
was
no.
yours only?
For theory classes, maybe Dr. Samir will take care of the theory classes, but for practical classes, you have to come with me on this.
Okay, sir.
But here I am seeing 63 people are joining now, but it is for only group one, which is from roll number 1 to 50. Anybody, you guys selected your class representative, CR?
Yes, sir. Sir,
So,
Saurav
so
sir.
Saurabh. So Saurabh, this class is only for group one student,
Okay,
and
sir.
group one is from 1 to 50, and the remaining 75, like 51 to whatever the last roll number, that will be counted into group two, which will be
Okay, sir.
B12 group. You are in
Okay,
A12.
sir.
Similarly, we have a B12. So from 1 to 50 in B12 are in group G1 again. But for that group, that G1 group is for B12 class. So and then we have a group combining from B12 A12. So so please join only group number sorry, join only from roll number 1, the students who have roll number
Sir,
from 1 to 50.
sir, roll number 1 to 50 of A12 class.
Yes, only.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So remaining student roll number from remaining students from roll number 51 to 68 or whatever it is, join with other class which may be taken by which who, just 1 minute I have to see. You guys, Saurabh,
Yes, sir.
you don't have the timetable.
Sir, I did add, sir, but I think it was not mentioned about the practical class, I think.
Okay,
Sir, it's first time, sir. We will be
okay,
aware about it.
Saurabh,
Okay.
yes, no problem. I will share the timetable with you. Then you can share with your classmates, and the remaining students has to go with Rinku Sharma and Srishti Malik. Huh? So they will arrange the link and all. So
Excuse me, sir.
yes, Aditi. Yes.
Sir, all of us are not receiving mails from you.
That's why because I have sent only from 1 to 50 students.
Sir, but I am in 1 to 50 roll number, but I have not received the class link.
Yes, sir, same here also.
Same here also, but I have sent it to 50 people only. Uh, Let me check.
Sir,
Otherwise,
maybe it's the problem of registered email ID, sir.
yes, that's my problem because I have mailed this link on your registered mail ID only.
Sir,
Different.
I am using my registered email ID and I have not received any mail from you.
Let me check it then. Where? Just 1 minute, Aditi.
The same problem is with me.
Okay, 1 minute, yeah. Aditi. So you are in. Your roll number is 12. Aditi. Aditi, your roll number is 12.
Sir, let me check my roll number. Someone is saying that my roll number is 52.
Yes, Aditi, your roll number is means your roll number is 52. I think. Yes, 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Yes, your roll
Sir,
number
but
is
mine is
52. Aditi,
33.
actually. Yes. I have sent up to who is 50? Yeah, Ayushman. Yes.
Sir, but mine is 33 and I didn't got the email.
So mine is also
One,
49
Yes,
and
one,
sir.
I
one.
didn't
My
got.
name
I
is.
will check it out.
So my
Ayushman
name is
Karan
Rishi
is
Pandey.
roll number 50.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Who is there?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
My roll number is 50. So,
नहीं The student who do not get the mail and whose roll number is
Sir,
below
my name is Rishabh Pandey and my roll number is 33.
Rishabh Pandey. Let me check this.
Yes, sir.
No problem at all because Rishabh find. Yes, Rishabh Pandey, your roll number is 33 and have sent it to Pandey Rishabh 367. This is yours?
Yes, it's my email address, but I didn't got the email.
Maybe problem is. But next time onwards, from next Monday means your next class will be next Monday from 10 to
Good
12.
morning, sir. Good
Yes, good
morning,
morning.
sir.
Yes, Rajat.
Sir, sir, it's Rajdeep Gupta, and
Yes, yes.
my roll number is 32. Could you please check for me? I also
No
not
problem,
received the
no
mail.
problem. Yes, maybe like you are right. Maybe, but the problem can be solved by easily. Like from next time onwards, I will send it to your CR, which is who is your CR? Saurabh. Saurabh is in this
Yes,
group.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I will send it to only Saurabh, and Saurabh will share with all the other persons.
So can you check for Sanchit Sharma?
No problem, Sanchit at all. Like
36. Roll number 30.
roll number 36.
Sir, 37 Shubham Chauhan also.
One. Sanchit Sharma.
Yes.
Yes, Sanchit Sharma 31 at the rate gmail.com. So I have oh sorry, Sharma Sanchit 31. This is
Okay,
Sir,
thank you.
29, Mohit Raj.
So 48 I used to add
student. Please listen. No problem if you are not getting the email link for the class. From next time onwards, from next class onwards, I will send it to Saurabh, and Saurabh will share with you. And other solution is that from next time or maybe from next to next time, you guys will have the institute email ID. So I will send it to only institute mail IDs. Fine. If you are not getting today, it's no
Fine, sir.
problem.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me,
We
sir.
have two solutions. Either I can send to Saurabh,
Okay, sir.
or if you guys give the institute email ID, means DTU email ID, then
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I
So
have
what about
pasted
the
an
other
email
students?
ID.
So what
Sir,
about
I
the
have
other students?
pasted.
1 minute, yeah, one by one. Yes, Saurabh first. Yes.
Sir, I have pasted an email ID on the chat. Sir, could you please send the invite of this class to that email ID? Sir, he is not
Right
able to
now.
join by conventional method. Yes, sir. Sir, he is not
Okay.
able to join.
Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. I will do it. Copy joining information. Add people.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So what about the other students? मतलब
I told you
whose
na,
roll number?
like the roll number from roll number the students who has roll number 51 onwards, they have to go. They have to means their group is different. They are in a group two G2, and their class will be taken by some other person like Professor Iku Sharma and Sasti Malik. So they will send the link to the other the students who are in group two. Fine. So you have to do
Okay.
this with other faculty members.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Sir, till the time we are not getting a registered mail ID from DTU, we have to log into this only.
No, I will send it like because it is only one day in a. Okay, I can. Yeah, I will share another link with Saurabh Kumar, and this will be the that link will be the permanent. Like for the whole semester, that link will work. Fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Sir,
one
is it
student is not able to join the class, sir. And
1 minute, I am sending this.
okay, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
The roll number 50 and onwards should leave, right?
Yes, right. And they have to join with another link that will be provided by the Professor Inku and means the other faculty members who are taking your labs.
So can we contact Professor Rinku by some other method? Can you provide us with their email or contact number so that we can contact them?
Still, like she has not contacted with you.
No, 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 sir.
No one from
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
We didn't
okay.
get any notification as if we are divided between
No,
two
sir.
groups, G1 and G2.
Okay, okay, okay.
25
I'll share.
students are there in this group.
One minute. It is in your chat box. Fine. So
Is it okay to join using any email?
1 minute share. It is 9999 608. I have shared the mobile number of Professor Rinku Sharma. So please contact only one person. Don't call all the. No? She is a busy maybe because
Saurav, could you do that for us? Could you contact
yes,
Dr. Professor? Yes, yes.
Okay,
All right, all
okay.
right.
yes. Who is?
Yes, it was me.
Yes.
Sir, is it okay to join using any email?
Right now it is okay, but later on whenever you get the institute email ID, then it will be like
Okay, thank you,
automatically.
sir.
Right now we have 65 already. Sora,
Yes, sir.
I'm sharing the link here in text, so you can
Okay, sir.
share with. Huh? Yeah, this. Okay, fine. So now we can start our class. So this is a lab class for AP 101, and this semester we have 9 experiments which we have to perform, and actually to perform these experiments we need lab, but अभी तो this is a virtual mode, so we can see only some videos. हाँ, 1 minute. Let me present the list of experiments.
Sir,
One,
sir,
yes.
sir, students after 51 to 75 have to go to B12 class right now, sir.
Yes, B12 and A12. The दोनों को merge करके we have to make another group which is G2 group, and that group is
Okay, sir.
associated with Professor Inkwell.
Okay, sir.
Students, you are able to see my computer screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So I think most of you have got this notice for evolution of your this course, beta like AP101 course. So this course has three components basically. Like one part is basically theory and other part is practical. So practical component is for 20 marks, and for these 20 marks, we have to perform these 9 experiments during this whole semester. And in fact, we have 10 classes, 10 Mondays basically. We have 10 classes. So we have to perform 9 experiments. One experiment is not working, but it doesn't make any sense for now. So out of these 9, because now it is a virtual class, so otherwise, so now because it's a virtual class, so we will perform one by one. So today we will start with this to measure the angle of prism using spectrometer. You are able to see the list of experiments.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
I will share the list with Shia, Saurabh, and then he will share with you. So these are the 9 experiments which basically we have in this first semester or this AP101 course. And you can see like all these experiments are like mostly are from optics. And in your
सर
theory,
एक्चुअली मुझे आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही।
sorry,
सर एक्चुअली मुझे आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है, आपके फेस दिख रहा है, स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही।
it's इसको बंद करता हूँ. Yes, ये और किसी के साथ भी यही प्रॉब्लम है? बाकियों को दिख
Yes,
रही है?
sir. No, sir, I can't see the screen as well.
सर मुझे भी नहीं दिख रही।
Now it is visible? No.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Sir, it's
No, sir,
visible.
not to me.
यस Visible, सर, sir.
No,
Visible.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Visible,
It
sir.
might be your
Visible.
network issue. Huh?
Sir, it's visible.
It may be your network problem. That's why you're not
Oh,
able.
yes, sir. Now it's visible. Now it's visible. Yes, sir, sorry.
Okay, fine. So we have 9 experiments, and all these 9 experiments are like most of them are from optics background. And in your theory, we have also most of the part in your theory we have from optics. So you can means correlate your theory with your practical. But from this time, you have to do it in your only virtual mode. In basically in virtual mode, you don't need to do any. I mean, you you have to watch only the videos which are made by our research scholars. And from next class onwards, 2 research scholars will be there with you. So they will guide, they will help you how to we can do it, how to we can perform these experiments in labs. Because watching video doesn't make any good sense, but still uh, it gives us an like idea or just how the experiment actually looks like and all. So the experiment one is to measure the angle of prism using spectrometer. So basically you need to know about what is spectrometer. What means this is a device. Prism, I think everyone know what is a prism. Yes. So we have to measure the angle of prism using, and angle of prism is around like 60 degree. So but we have to calculate it experimentally using this device spectrometer, and it is very important. You can see like to determine the refractive index using spectrometer, again spectrometer. So spectrometer, by using this spectrometer you have to find out the angle of prism. Then similarly by using this spectrometer you have to find out the refractive index. So what is a refractive index, what is a prism, how it behaves with light, all these things you have to know. You have to be like aware about all these phenomena. Like similarly, what is the dispersion and what is the dispersive power? Fine. So all these experiments are very interesting to do, but now you cannot perform them. But you can watch some video or like watch the videos which are actually made up in our labs. So by watching these videos, we can have some idea about these experiments. Then to determine the wavelength of sodium light by Newton's ring. So what is a sodium light? Hmm? Anyone knows
White light, sir.
meaning of
White light.
sodium light? Yes.
White light.
White light
Monochromatic
is a
white light.
sodium light. Sorry,
Monochromatic light, sir. Sir,
monochromatic.
monochromatic light.
What is the meaning of monochromatic? Sort of. Yes.
So when white light is passed through mm,
Okay. Anyone else?
Nicole Prism.
Nicole. No, my question is, what is a sodium light and what is a like, you have any idea about sodium light?
so I think when white light is passed through sodium crystal, it absorbs some wavelength and emits, I think, yellow light, and
Yes.
that's called sodium light.
Utsav, yes, yes. Yes, Utsav is going in the right way, but it is not the correct explanation. But sodium
Sir,
light
किस
doesn't mean
lights में use
we are
होता है?
using. Yes, 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 Chandra.
Sir, the light emitted by sodium
1 minute is
when it is in excited state.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, आप सर म्यूट हो रखे हैं सर।
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Sir,
हाँ,
you are
मैंने पता है मुझे. I know about it.
सर अभी थॉट कि आप कुछ समझा रहे हैं ना, आप म्यूट है इसीलिए
Actually,
बता दिया।
my desktop is working very slow.
ओके
That's why
सर।
it creates. I know about that. My microphone is off.
ओके सर, ओके सर।
Means मैंने उस पर क्लिक कर दिया था, but it taking time.
Excuse me,
Fine.
sir.
Yes, Saurabh.
Sir, I tried to contact ma'am and there was nothing in result, ma'am. So, sir, so I have taken the stand to cancel the classes of the next group, sir. I think it will not be a problem, sir.
हाँ, no, but
Sir, I tried my best to communicate, sir. And this sudden thing of group divisions and all this stuff, sir, neither we have received any mails from the official, sir. So
I
it
can
was creating
understand.
a
That's
lot
why
of
we have
chaos.
first class as a spare class, so we can have some introduction, like kind of thing, in first class only. So no problem. You
Okay,
can
sir.
the next Monday as well. But for this group, we can
Yeah.
continue now. Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But the remaining student means the other group, which is in, like remaining students are in group G2. So G2 group can be start later on. It's from next Monday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I have shared hmm. So we are discussing about the sodium light. Huh? So sodium light basically it's a monochromatic source light. Huh? And why we call it as a sodium light? It doesn't mean that we are using some sodium for generating this light. Why we call it as sodium? Because the wavelength corresponding to this sodium light, because we all know the white spectrum contains the wavelength from where to where. The white light जो है हमारे पास उसका वेवलेंथ स्पेक्ट्रम कहाँ से कहाँ तक वेरी करता है
400 nanometer to
400
750
nanometer to
nanometer.
700.
good very good 400 to 700 nanometer. So in between these 400 to 700 nanometers we have seven different colors or more than seven colors with different wavelengths. Of course we have n number of wavelengths in between, and by changing the wavelength we can change the color. Color is basically associated with the wavelength of the light, nothing else, no? Why we are like white light is why it is white? Because it's a combination of all this seven color means all it's a combination of the wavelength associated with the three major colors, and if you mix three major color or like all seven colors are there, so that's why it looks like white. So in between these 400 to 700 nanometers, we have different colors or different wavelengths which are corresponding to different colors. So similarly, for the yellow color, the wavelength is around 598 or 590, you can say 590. So the wavelength or the light which emits uh, the source of light which emits the light with wavelength 590 nanometers, then we can say it's a sodium light or sodium source. So, and why it is sodium source? Because this 590 is corresponds to the सोडियम ट्रांजिशंस में सोडियम एटम में जो ट्रांजिशंस होते हैं जिसकी वजह से लाइट इमिट हो सकती है लाइक you have read in your chemistry classes, we have a nucleus, then we have some electron orbits, and with jumping electron from higher energy to lower energy level, then it will emit a photon, and that photon के corresponding जो energy होगी that will be the difference between the energy levels. ऐसे होता है, समझ आ रहा है नहीं? ये वर्चुअल क्लास में थोड़ा सा without diagram.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When the transitions occurs from higher energy level to lower energy level, a photon will be emitted to compensate the momentum or to conserve the momentum. A photon will emit, and the energy of that photon is associated with the gap of that energy levels की उन दोनों energy levels के बीच में जिसके बीच में transition हुआ है इलेक्ट्रॉन का, उनके बीच में energy कितना है उसके corresponding photon की energy होगी that we can relate as like E2 minus E1 equals to h times mu. Mu is the frequency associated with that photon. So actually in sodium atoms, when a transition occurs, the emitted photon have 590 nanometer. Yes, Akash, please.
Sir,
You
your
want to ask?
presentation is not visible.
No problem, यार. उसके अंदर सिर्फ लिस्ट है that, हाँ?
Yes, sir, this is visible right now.
Fine, fine, no problem. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से वो सोडियम लाइट है because 590 nanometer is associated with the transition associated or transition occurred in a sodium atom. That's why we call it a sodium. So it's a monochromatic source of light. It's a wavelength of 590 nanometer. सो इस तरह से आपको ये बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट अगर लैब में आते तो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा अच्छे से होता, लेकिन अभी भी आप इसको वीडियोस के थ्रू यू कैन है ना डू इट। सो कौन से एक्सपेरिमेंट में आप ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल फील कर रहे हैं? लाइक you can read all these list of experiments, so we can start with that one only,
So,
whichever you find more suitable or more comfortable for you.
Sir, first one.
Sir, first one.
Angle of prism.
First one, to measure the angle of prism using
Sir,
spectrometer.
anyone.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. So we can watch the video corresponding to the experiment number one, and we will do it on next class as well, because today's class is just for an introduction part. So we can do it for like we will do it on the next class as well. Fine.
Sir, tell me something about yourself, sir. Sir, we can have an interactive session together, sir.
Yes, yes, sure, sure, sure. Myself is Deshraj Meena, and I am working here as assistant professor from 2017, February 2017. Means almost 4 years I have completed here. Before that, I was in IIT Delhi for my masters. I did my masters in physics from IIT Delhi 2014. Then after I have joined as a research scholar, or means I joined my PhD at IIT Delhi as well, because for joining as a PhD you need some like either you have to qualify the GATE exam, or maybe you don't know and there is another exam which we usually call as NET, National Eligibility.
Sir, NET and IIT JAM, sir.
No, IIT JAM is for taking admission in masters for MSc, for doing MSc. JAM is for taking admission in masters, or basically taking admission in MSc, Master of Science. But after completing the Master of Science, now you can do the PhD or MTech. For doing PhD or MTech, you need to qualify the GATE or a national eligibility test NET with GRF. So I go to the GRF, then I go, then I please switch off your mic. Then I have joined as a PhD student there in 2014, and in the meantime I got this job in 2017, and then I am basically belongs to Rajasthan, Jaipur. My native place is Jaipur. Yes. Anything else?
So you are
And
from?
from Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Okay, sir.
And my research area, if you want to know about the research,
Yes, sir.
so
Yes.
my research area is gas sensors. I am working in gas sensors, various kind of gas sensors, because gas sensors are very important in today's global warming, or today's very pollution is going very fast because of
Yes,
industrialization,
sir.
urbanization and all things. So detection of hazardous gas, we need some gas sensor for detection of such kind of hazardous gases like carbon monoxide, H2S, many number of NO2 and CO2 as well. So gas
So,
sensors, as its name suggests, they are devices which used to detect the toxic gases as well as normal gases. So I am working in the field of gas sensors. Yes, Saurabh, you want to ask something?
sir, so this is not yet on industrial production level, sir. Gas sensors, which talking about.
Yes, yes. Actually, we are doing lab research, no? So we need to just this very important point. We need to commercialize, we need to industrialize our research. But yes, still, my students are working on the project. They're making a sensor, ethanol sensor, means like ना वो अल्कोहल जो होते हैं ना, मोस्टली अल्कोहल
Hmm.
एंड तो इथेनॉल को सेंस करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर लाइक आप ड्राइव कर रहे हैं, सो हाउ वुड पुलिसमैन नोस कि वेदर द ड्राइवर इज ड्रंकन और नॉट. सो
Yes, sir.
उसने कभी देखा भी होगा ना, वो ऐसे ब्लॉक करता है उसमें एंड देन इंडिकेट्स दैट. तो वो जो इथेनॉल सेंसर है, उस वो वाला इथेनॉल सेंसर वो बना रहा है मेरे स्टूडेंट इस बार बीटेक ना ईपी 4th ईयर में। तो इस तरह से अभी बट इंडस्ट्री लेवल पे नहीं है। सो अभी रिसर्च जो मेरा रिसर्च है
Okay.
बेसिकली
So we are
मोस्ट
waiting,
ऑफ
sir.
द
It's highly
साइंस,
needed.
जो मोस्ट ऑफ द साइंस रिसर्च है इट इज लाइक ये सभी अभी लैब लेवल पे है ना, इंडस्ट्री लेवल पे लाना इसको थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है। सो वी आर वर्किंग ऑन लेबोरेटरी लेवल बस राइट नाउ। यस सर, कह रहे थे आप? हाँ, यस एनी आयुषी, यस
एग्जाम पैटर्न एंड ऑल की
आयुषी, योर वॉइस इज वेरी लो, इट इज नॉट ऑडिबल एक्चुअली।
sir, I'm saying that please tell us about our exam pattern and all that.
Okay, okay, fine, 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 fine. Exam pattern, if it is going be if it is going to be offline, then it is different. But for this online, uh, let me share this. You are able to visible my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is an evolution component, serial number, then evolution component, MTE, midterm exam. Fine. So for MTE, we have for this time we have some innovative work. So the respective faculty, like theory faculty, जो भी है आपके, जो भी whoever taking the theory classes, that faculty will give you some innovative topics or some topics which are innovative in nature, and you have to work on the topics, and then you have to present in a PPT format or like kind of things for midterm exams, and it is for 20. The weightage is 20 marks. So 20 marks is for MTE midterm exam, and midterm exam will be in terms of some innovative project. Fine. Then
Yes, sir.
then we have end term exam, ETE. For ETE we have total we have 30 plus 1, 40 marks. For ETE we have 30 plus 1, 40 marks. So 30 marks will be class test. 3 class tests after every 4 weeks will be taken, and out of these three, best 2 will be considered for your evaluation, and 15 marks for each test, so it will be 30. Fine. And the remaining 10 marks are allotted to the quizzes, surprise quizzes, short answer questions, MCQs and all. So again, two surprise tests will be taken by your respective faculty, and out of these 2 surprise tests, one will be considered for your evaluation. The best one will be considered for your evaluation. So in this way, this 40, then remaining, in this way it will comes out to be 60, 20 for midterm, 40 for the end term. Fine, यहाँ तक ठीक है अभी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this way, this makes up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. The remaining 40 marks will be for like the remaining 40 marks will goes to here. So because this course has a practical component, so the 20 marks for the practical, 20 marks for the practical, like because in practicals we don't have any midterm examination, only end term examination. So end term examination is considered here again in the same way as we have, like we have to take some surprise tests or quizzes. So again 10 into 2 we can consider it. Like, so 20 marks will be from your practical components, and the remaining 20 marks will be continuous evolution, which will be done by your faculty member, theory faculty member or theory faculty. ठीक है? So 60 is like 20 for midterm examination, and for midterm examination we have an innovative project or innovative work. So उसमें आपको presentation देना है, and that contains 20 marks. Then remaining 40 marks for end term examination will be divided into 2 parts. One is class test. Three class tests will be taken. Out of these, only best two will be considered for your evaluation. So 30 marks will be 30 marks comes from this way, and remaining 10 marks come from the surprises quizzes or surprise tests. So in this way, the 60, then 20 marks for practical exam, and practical exam again considered in terms of surprise tests. Fine, 20 plus 60, it will be 80. 20 plus 60 becomes 80. The remaining 20 marks are self, or means the remaining 20 marks are in the hands of faculty who are taking the theory classes, and it will be decided on the basis of your class attentiveness, means ये उसमें है ना, continuous evolution पे based है ये, and it is in the जो faculty member जो उसके ऊपर ही
Internal, sir, internals.
हाँ इंटरनल असेसमेंट के अंदर so इस तरह से ये 100 marks हैं, and grading system will be like this. It depends because it's a relative grading system here. So usually, but if your score is like in between 90 to 91 to 100, then the O outstanding, then you can take the zone like 81 to 90, A plus, then A, and goes on 71 to 80 and so on. But it again depends. This window can be changed. अगर मान लीजिए बहुत सारे बच्चों के 90 से क्रॉस मार्क्स आ गए, so window can be like shrink. You can make it 95 to 100.
So what about
Yes.
file work?
Okay, I will tell you later on. Just good question. But file work for this lab, no? You're talking
Yes.
about the lab file?
Yes, sir. Left file.
Yes, we will discuss about it on next class. Fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Do you have to write some lab manual or some book for lab classes?
Okay, lab manuals. Yes, we will share the lab manuals.
Book recommendation.
Sorry, no. I will share the lab manuals with yes, are like Saurabh, and then he can share it to you guys. Right? Lab manuals का soft copy I will share with the Saurabh.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Anything? Yes.
Sir,
Udayan Tripathi, yes.
will we receive video for every experiment?
Yes. For every experiment you will receive. In fact, you will watch online, then you can have some doubts as well. So doubts will be clear at that time, and similarly we can ask some questions.
Okay, sir.
Videos will be showed by you on these classes, or you will give us the links and all?
No, I think yes, only in the classes. Video will be played only in class, and you can, because otherwise तो फिर there's no significance of. But I have to like I had to ask someone else like कैसे इसको actually करना है, because I am taking it for the first time as well. So if it is allowed to share, means then I have no problem. I will share with share, then you can watch it at any time. They are only hardly from 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so we can start with the next Monday, or if you want to watch the first video, then you can. Then we can start from.
Sir, we can start from next Monday, sir. Actually, I am receiving a lot of queries about the group 2, sir.
Okay, then fine, Saurabh.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
नेक्स्ट मंडे से हमारे पास 2 रिसर्च स्कॉलर भी होंगे, सो दैट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर अस.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank.
How to perform it. Fine.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay then.
Sir.
Sir left us alone.
क्लास तो खत्म हो गई.
लैब की जल्दी नहीं पड़ जाती है भाई.
चलो भाई, बाय बाय।
12 बजे तक टाइम था।
भाई 2 से 3 भी सर की है, उसमें आज आना है या नहीं?
भाई लेक्चर है उसमें शायद।
वो
हाँ,
लेक्चर
वो
लेक्चर
2 से 3 और 3 से 4 वाली लेक्चर की क्लास है दोनों।
हाँ लेक्चर है वो।